In this video, I'm going to show you how to add contacts in Mailchimp. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Audience over here on the left, and then when you're inside the Audience tab, you want to go to Add Contacts, top right, and then here you're going to be given two options. The first one is to paste your contacts, the second one is to upload a file. Now, if you have a file and you want to upload it, you want to click on over here, and of course, you can just select the file and then continue. I do have a separate video teaching directly how to do this, how to organize this, how to match it, etc. It's actually super simple, but still you can go watch the video if you want to. Now, the second way, as you were able to see here, was this keep contacts up to date automatically, so you can basically integrate with any of these things available down here, like Shopify, Wix, Zapier, Squarespace, WooCommerce, etc. Or you could also go and do it manually, okay? So you can click on Add Contacts, and then you could click on over here. Let me actually go ahead and do this. There we go. So you can see you can basically paste your contacts in here as well by basically putting them in one per line. So we could do this as an example. You could do like email and then first name, last name, and then address with commas, okay? So for example, if I wanted to add people, I could do like instant how to, which is me, at gmail.com. It's actually the instant how to, excuse me. There we go. And then I could do, for example, instant, which is name, how to, which is surname, and then the address is going to be, for example, address 1, okay? And then I could press enter and do it again. So for example, if I do like a random Gmail address I have over here as well, I can do that too. And then for example, do soap user address 1. Okay, now these are imported already, so if I now click on continue over here, it's gonna give me a match because I have imported these already. But of course, if you haven't done that, you'll be able to go through and it's going to work for you as well. Then you're gonna select your audience, press continue, of course your tags as well, and press continue again. Here you'll have to essentially just kind of make sure that these are good. So in my case, they're all check marks in the green, which means everything has been matched. And now I can click on continue again, select the marketing status, finalize import, and again, if everything looks good, you can click on create import. Now for me, there are going to be errors, and that is because of course I do have those contacts in my of course audience list already, as you can see here. But of course, if I didn't have them, then I'd be able to import them and find them down here at the bottom of my page. Okay, now up here you also have like audience settings, and you have like fields and merge tags, etc. if you want to use these. But that's essentially how to do this. Okay, that is how you can add your contacts in Mailchimp. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.